Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. So before starting the session, let's see an announcement. So we had already started 40 days free live workshop to become a Salesforce Administrator. So this workshop is free on Salesforce Administrator, and this has been started from 11th of September 2024 to 26th of October 2024, and the running time is 7 to 8 p.m. IST. So any candidates can participate in this free live workshop. So the candidates who are interested to attend this workshop, they have to drop a mail to salesforcenetwork@gmail.com, and if someone is missing to attend the particular session on time, then they can go with daily recording that is available on Salesforce Network YouTube channel. So looking forward for the positive response. So today's topic is application. So in Salesforce we had already provided by so many types of application like sales application, service, sales console, service console, and different types of application already we are provided, that is developed by Salesforce and given to us. Only the thing what we have to do with that applications, we have to customize the applications and can use as per our business requirement. So application is a logical container for all objects, tabs, process and services associated with a given business function. So any application we are using, there is a means for that. These are of two types like standard application and custom application. Standard applications, the applications created by Salesforce are called standard applications. Standard application cannot be deleted, they can be modified like sales. So any application provided by Salesforce, we can't delete them, we can modify as per our business need. So already provided application, we can customize them, and if that application is not fulfilling our requirement, then we can go and design our application as per our business requirement. So for that, we are going to create custom applications. So application created by the user as per business requirement, that is called custom application. Custom application can be modified or deleted as per business requirement like EMS. EMS stands for Employee Management System. So if there is a business need, like they ask to develop a employee management system application, so by using the Salesforce, we can design our own application. It consists of a label, a description, and an ordered list of items which often includes tabs. We can also add custom logo for branding the app. So, as we had created our own application or as per our business need, so this application can be modified, updated or deleted. But in the case of standard application, we can't delete them. So how to create the application? So in the lightning mode, we have to click on setup, platform tools, app, app manager, new lightning app. So in the step 1, we are going to provide the app details and branding. Next step, we are selecting app options as per our need. In the next step, we are going to add utility bar items. Next, navigation items. Next, selecting user profile to which app should be visible. And finally, we have to click on save and finish. There is a note, user can create custom application whose allow access to customized actions is enabled in profile level. So if a user don't have the access of customized actions, that user can't be able to create application. So if someone having the trouble with creating the application, they should have to go and check whether the customized actions are enabled for that particular user or not. So we are going to do a assignment, creating an application by the name Employee Management System. So to log in into our Salesforce account, in the URL we have to provide login.salesforce.com. Then at the username we have to provide our username following with password and clicking on login. So as per our assignment that we have to create an application in Salesforce, first we need to click on setup. So already we are in setup. So the same view we are going to get setup. Then at the left side, platform tools. Then apps. We have to expand this. Click on expand or click on this arrow. It is getting expand. So app. Then there is a app manager. We need to click on this. So now we are seeing so many applications are available here. Lightning Experience App Manager, and there are so many apps already we are seeing. As this account is new, so up to now we had not created any application, means this all the applications are created by Salesforce and given to us. So let's see what all the applications are. So first one is all tabs, analytics studio, app launcher, automation, bold solutions, community, content, data manager. digital experiences, lightning usage app, marketing CRM, platform, queue management, sales. Then for lightning sales, then sales console, Salesforce chatter, Salesforce scheduler, service console, site.com, and subscription manager. These are the applications already created by Salesforce and given to us. Why these applications have been created and given to us? Because if someone is having sales business, simply they can go with sales, open this sales application, and they can customize this application, and simply they can use. By customizing that app as per their business need, they can use these sales applications. So beside, or rather than creating one application from the scratch, it's already, the common thing is already created and given to us, and we can simply customize that application and use for the business. So if the applications we are getting, or that application is already created by Salesforce and given to us, no need to create that particular application from the scratch. Only the thing, we have to use that application and customize as per the business need and use it. If we are getting a scenario like we are not going with a standard application, I need my own application and you have to create this application. So suppose we get a requirement like employee management system, I need this application. So how you are going to create this application, that one we are going to see. So click on new lightning experience. So here it is asking for some details like app details and branding. Give your lightning app a name and description, upload an image, and choose the highlight color for its navigation bar. So if we are going to create our own application as per our business need, we have to provide the application name. So as in our case, our assignment is we have to create employee management system application. So here we are going to provide employee management system, app name, then developer name it is going to take by default. So here we can provide any name, but this is the unique name, as it is suggesting that used by the API and managed packages. This name must be unique across all apps. Means in the Salesforce organization, in this organization, this name must be unique. If we are creating by this name one more application, it is not going to give us the probability to create the second application. So we have to provide the description for this application. Here I am providing only the full form of this EMS application. So description, I am providing employee management system. App branding or logo we have to provide here. So here I am going to provide EMS employee management system logo, EMS. it is uploading, and it is coming like this. Primary color, I am going with default one. If we have the color code, we can provide over here. So here app launcher preview, it is coming like this: employee management system, EMS, and employee management system description you are coming. So clicking on next button. So next it is asking for app options, navigation, and from factor. What does it means? So how the navigation is coming? Like navigation style would be standard navigation or console navigation. So there is a difference between standard and console. So by default we are going with standard navigation. Then supported form factors means at which platform this application would be visible. So I am going with desktop and phone as well. So on the both platform this application is visible. At the right side, setup and personalization. So setup, full setup. So here we are getting a full set of setup options, and there is a service setup. So I am going with full set of setup option. So by default all the experience here we are getting. Next, app personalization setting, we are going with default. I am not going to check any checkbox from here. Simply clicking on next. So in this what we have to provide, we have to go with the default one. I had not updated anything from this app options. Simply clicking next. So next, utility items or desktop only. So from here we can add the utility item. So what does it means utility item? In our application at the bottom side we are seeing this utility item. So if I am clicking on this add utility item, from here we can get the utility item. So these are the standards one: chatter feed, chatter publisher, flow, history, list view, macros. So for now I am not going with this utility item, and also it is going to see in desktop only. So here also I had not did any modification. Simply I am clicking on next button. So this navigation items, what the items you want to display on your application, that all the items you can add from here. So choose the items to available in the app and arrange the order in which they appear. So items we can select from here, and we have to add here, and in which order you have to display, that one also we can do. User can personalize the navigation to add or move items, but user can't remove or rename the items that you add. Means if you are adding that these items, you can't rename and remove that particular item. Some navigation items are available only for phone or only for desktop. So in this list, some of the items are going to only view on phone, or some of the items only viewable on desktop. These items are dropped from the navigation bar when the app is viewed in a format that the item doesn't support. So let's see what we have to add here in our application. So I am going with home tab. So here is home. Selecting this home and clicking on add. So it is coming over here. Next item I want account. So simply from searching here also we can get account and I am clicking on add. So these two items I am adding. For now in our application these two items will be available. So I had added only two items in this view. Click next. So this is the important term what we are going to see right now. User profiles. Profile is an important topic in Salesforce administrator perspective. So any user who is in the Salesforce organization must have a profile. Without profile, any user is not going to be created in the Salesforce organization. So, while creating the user in Salesforce org, the profile is mandatory. So, available profiles. So, Salesforce had created so many profiles and given to us. So, these are all the profiles what Salesforce had created and given to us. We can simply use these profiles. So for now I am not going in depth of this all the profiles. We, we are going to concentrate on only three profiles, that is system administrator profile. This is a very important concept of Salesforce administrator. So many times we are going to see this profile having this access, this profile having this access. We need this much of access for this profile. So this one is an important one. So the important profiles are system administrator, standard user and standard platform user. So for now I am going to add these all three profiles. By holding the control button we are able to select all these profiles. Click add. So in this section we had added three profiles: system administrator, standard user and standard platform user. So now I am going to click save and finish. So let's see, our application is coming over here. So EMS, employee management system, is our app name and our API name or developer name is EMS same, and description we had provided employee management system. It is created on 14th of September 2024, the time and which view is having. So application type is lightning, and at the right side we are seeing edit, delete and clone. So while clicking on clone, the same application is going to be copied. If we are clicking on edit, so if we need any modification with this application we can edit, And also, if this application is not required or not needed, so we can delete this application also. Also, one more difference we can see here itself. We are seeing sales application. Manage your sales process with account, lead and opportunities. If I am clicking on this drop down, so we can't clone this application, and also we can't delete this application, as this application is created by Salesforce and given to us, so we can't delete this application. Only the thing, we can modify this application, but additionally what we are doing with our custom application like employee management system, cloning the application or deleting the application, it is not possible with standard application. So the application what is created by Salesforce and given to us, that is standard application, and the application what is created by ourselves or as per our business requirement, that is custom application. So let's see how we are going to see our custom application. So again, click on this app launcher. Directly from here we can search our application by putting the name EMS. So we are seeing the logo of our application and EMS application name is there. So as we had taken the logo of our application EMS, and we had given the name of our application, that is EMS, employee management system, and in the items section we had added home and accounts. Only two items we had added, so that two items are available over here, and all the formats we are getting by default. So this account is a standard object and we are simply added in our application. So if all I need to see this application, so again coming to our setup option, platform tools, apps, app manager, clicking on our application as a edit mode. So edit mode, it is coming like in this view. So all the settings what we had did right now while creating the application, all are visible over here. So app option we had taken this, utility items we had not taken, navigation item we had selected two items, home and account, and profiles what we had uses, system administrator, standard user and standard platform user. So also if I am clicking on back button, is this application is also viewable in classic mode. So let's see, click on profile, switch to Salesforce Classic. Let's see our application is in classic mode, we can see this application or not. So click on this application menu, or we can click on setup. At the left side panel there is a build, then create, then apps. So this is not viewable in classic mode. So again switch to lightning experience. Again, if we need our application, simply click on app launcher, search for our application name and click on this particular application name. So we are able to see this application. So today's assignment is creating an application in Lightning View. Create a employee management system application in Lightning View or Lightning mode.